Hello everyone, how about today? Introducing an JC45 wheel vehicle to you, skid steer loader. The lifting height of this car can reach 3.5 meters, unloading height up to 2.4 meters. It uses a closed luxury cab. It also uses a waist protector, more stable at work. The safety factor is high. It is operated by hydraulic rotary bucket handle. The whole machine is easy to operate. High reduction action, and it can achieve 360-degree in-situ steering. No dead ends, usually in this kind of municipal engineering, landscaping. There are more selective working conditions, such as indoor cleaning. There is a boss who likes this car. You can find out at any time.